Why do astronauts always say, Houston? Ever notice astronauts say Houston before each call? It may sound routine, but there is a clear reason. Houston refers to NASA's Mission Control Center. Mission Control guides astronauts during spaceflight. The center responsible sits in Houston, Texas. NASA moved major operations there in the 1960s. Soon it became the hub of human spaceflight. Engineers, doctors, and flight controllers work there. They watch spacecraft systems every second. Astronauts constantly report status back to them. Saying Houston signals exactly who is called. Space radio channels often include many listeners. Crews must address the correct control center. The call sign prevents confusion in busy comms. It works like saying someone's name first. Then the message that follows is understood. Space missions rely on strict communication rules. Even small confusion could risk the mission. Clear protocol keeps every voice organized. NASA trains astronauts carefully to speak this way. Apollo missions helped make the phrase famous. Houston, we have a problem, became iconic. The real Apollo 13 words were slightly different. Still, the word Houston became unforgettable. Today, the tradition continues on the ISS. Astronauts aboard still speak with Houston daily. Controllers track power, oxygen, and orbit. They also guide experiments and repairs. Sometimes crews call other control centers. For example, they might call Moscow instead. Different centers manage different systems, but Houston often leads U.S. mission operations. The name became shorthand for the whole team. Thousands of experts stand behind that word. When astronauts say Houston, they mean them. It represents the ground supporting space. One simple word links Earth and orbit. It begins a conversation across space, from spacecraft down to a room of screens. That is why astronauts start calls with Houston. It is not just a city, but mission control, a tradition built over decades of missions. One word that signals a message is coming, and the people on Earth ready to answer. Houston listening as humanity speaks from space.